I just again wanted to welcome everybody, say thank you for the season so far. Today is just a testament of the last couple months that you guys have been playing, participating. But I just want you guys to understand how serious and unique this technical sport is for you guys.
It's been an amazing experience here at the first annual Code 313 Drone Basketball event. I had a lot of fun myself as a coach. My team had a lot of fun, and they learned. It wasn't just about fun, and they got some educational things out of this as well. We had some success this year. Code 313 is amazing. We're just blessed to be a part of this, and we're looking forward to next year.
Today I have competed in the drone competition. We did get second place. I had a lot of fun. We have practiced so hard for today, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who provided this space for us to compete.
My overall experience was fun, and my parents are proud of me. I'm proud of myself, and I can't be more excited because I love it.
Code 313 is not just about tech. They done found out a way to have fun with it, man. We're really developing youth to just be future drone operators, whether it's for the Army, whether they're going to school to get a full ride scholarship. There's just so many opportunities with tech. I feel like Code 313 is a step ahead.
Thank you, Code 313, for today.